Get excited about the 2020 Subaru Outback. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, power front seats, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, lane departure warning, rear wipers, and much more. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, brake assist, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.